In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet camera not working or blocked as of 2025. Whether you're getting ready for an important meeting or a casual video call, not having your camera working can be a major roadblock. But don't worry, I'm here to help guide you through the process of getting everything up and running smoothly. First, let's make sure we're on the right track by heading over to Google Meet. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing Google Meet into the search bar, or by directly entering meet.google.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll notice options to start or join a meeting, but before you dive into a call, we need to ensure that your camera is properly set up. Now, the next step to address is allowing camera access in your browser. Oftentimes, browsers can block camera access due to privacy settings or previous user settings, which can lead to that dreaded camera not detected error. In most major browsers like Chrome, Firefox or Edge, this can be adjusted in the settings menu. Typically, you'll find an option labeled Site Settings or Privacy, under which there should be a clear section regarding permissions for camera usage. Here, make sure that Google Meet has been granted permission to access your camera. If you see Google Meet listed under Blocked Sites, simply change it to Allow, and this should resolve the issue. If the browser settings look correct, another area to verify is your computer's own privacy settings. Go to your computer's system settings and find the section related to privacy or security. Usually there's an option called App Permissions or something similar where camera settings are listed. Here, ensure the toggle for the camera is switched on and that permission is granted for apps to access it. Specifically, confirm that permissions are enabled for your web browser of choice. In case you're still having trouble, it might be worth checking if there is any issue with the hardware itself. For instance, make sure that no other applications are using the camera at the same time, as this can also cause it to appear unavailable. Restarting your computer might also refresh any temporary glitches that your system may be experiencing. Lastly, if after trying all these steps you're still facing issues, double check for any software or driver updates. Keeping your system and drivers up to date is crucial for maintaining compatibility with web services like Google Meet. I hope this guide helps you to quickly sort out any issues with your camera on Google Meet, ensuring you're ready for your next video call without a hitch. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.